Hello everyone, in this video we will study about the types of white blood cells, neutrophils, lymphocytes, monocytes, eosinophils and basophils. So let's start it from neutrophils. Neutrophils are produced in bone marrow and they are first cells that reach the site of infection. Their main function is to fight inflammatory and infectious diseases, especially bacterial infections. So we can say that the neutrophils are the first defense line in our immune system. Let's talk about the lymphocytes. Lymphocytes are mainly includes B cells and T cells. They are mostly found in lymphatic system. The main function is to fight with bacteria, viruses and other pathogens. The B cells are responsible for the production of antibodies while the T cells help in killing infected cells and controlling immunity. So lymphocytes play a key role in specific and long-term immunity. Next are monocytes. Monocytes are the large white blood cells. Their main job is to fight with infections and clean the body. They remove dead cells, damaged cells and infected cells by a process called phagocytosis. After entering the tissue, monocytes change into macrophages, which are very powerful defense cells. So monocytes act as a cleaners and protectors of the body. Next are eosinophils. Eosinophils are mainly active during allergic reactions. They also help in fighting certain parasitic infections. When allergy occurs, the eosinophil release chemicals that control the allergic response. Their number increases during the allergic reactions. So eosinophils are especially important in allergy and parasitic defense. Finally, we have basophils. Basophils are involved in early immune responses. They help in allergic reactions by increasing chemical like histamine. They also a role in wound repair. So basophils help in allergy, inflammation and healing process.